Hey students, I hope you're working hard, getting ready for your amazing 3-day weekend here. I just wanted to give you a little hacks on working on your states and capitals. This right here is my friend, the well. Washington, the well. Doesn't look like a well, got a little spout coming up here. Sorry, maybe I should have changed that to colors. All right, the other little thing I want you to notice is Vermont over here is in the shape of a V, and Alabama has kind of an A built down there on the corner. Now, the coolest part of all this is Mimel. Now, here is Mimel's chef hat. So Mimel wanted to be a chef, and he wanted to be a really good one. And so he went to the eye doctor in Des Moines, Iowa, where his head is, and was able to get a doctor to help his eyesight so that he could see even with his chef's hat on. To be the best chef he could, he went to Jefferson, our third president, Jefferson City in Missouri. So Jefferson City, Missouri. So there is his belly. Now the problem is he's not a very good cook, so his stomach here in Missouri was actually in misery. Haha. Yes, dad jokes all over the place. And because he was not a great chef, he had a small budget to buy his girlfriend a wedding ring. And so he bought a little rock in Arkansas and got down on his knee and proposed. The problem is she said no because he had Baton Rouge, Louisiana boots. They were reddish, and she thought that looked kind of weird. So there's my dear friend Mimel, and he can help you out with your states test. So here's his eye, there's his mouth, there's his chef's hat, there's his pockets with a little bit of money hanging out, so he had to buy the little rock for his girlfriend. Now, if you want to go even further, he's wearing a backpack in Nebraska and Kansas, and he has a Kentucky Fried Frankfurter right here. Is Kentucky on his platter from Tennessee. He also got Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. In Ohio from his horrible cooking. So, I hope some of those things help you out. They're things that have helped me and helped students in the past. If you have any other cool things you want us to show like that, go ahead and shoot me an email, and we can do it. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.